Hello, in this video, we are going to talk about how to clean the DIL file from the SET database. We will use the DIL files from 2018 as an example. Our first job is to open the SAS program for DIL file cleaning that is located in the SAS program DIL file. Okay, so we are going through these procedures step by step. The first procedure is to import the set50 and set100 stock list. We have those files in CSV format already for set100 and set50. So our first job is to import those CSV files as SAS file and also format them in a way that it is easy for the SAS to read. So this first bit, we can click on the run, and then we can see the SAS 100, the set 100 will be shown here. And we can continue to import the set 50 stock list as well. The following few lines of code will help us make the set 50 and set 100 data list looks easy in the SAS data file. And finally, this SAS program is going to produce a data set called set list, which has all the set 50 and set 100 dummy variables as well. And we could also export this data file as a record for ourselves to use in the future. Similarly, we could also pick only the taker and then output this taker file to a CSV file as well for easy, convenient use in the future. Okay, next step, we are going to clean up the DIL file. So in this video, we are going to use year 2018 as an example to clean the DIL file. So the DIL file, first of all, we are going to set the lib name. So DLI 2018. This I stands for input. So that is DIL input. So this is the more original SAS file of the DIL file. So for example, if we go to DLI 2018, go to the folder, we can see all the DIL files that are listed here. So it's formatted as the different months of 2018 from January to December. So the AM stands for automatic matching. If you click on the file, you will see that the original heading is now readable. It has variable 1, variable 2, up to variable 22. But we don't know what's the meaning of all the variables. So we want to convert the file into a more user-friendly format. So our first step is to rename the variable's name into the following. So the SAS code is ready to help us rename every single variable into its meaning, such as DIL number, by order number, by order date, right? So we have a meaning for every variable. So this is the macro file helping us run this program. So we can use January as an example to run it first. So it's going to take a few seconds to finish the process. Okay, once it's done, we can go to the output file, right? DLO 2018. We go to the output file. It's not there yet because right now the out file is in the work folder. Okay, So we go to the work folder instead, and then we can see DL 2018-01 is ready now. So now every variable, the name has been changed. So we can check on the top for all the 22 variables, the name has been changed. So it's easier for us to continue working on this file. So we can continue run this program for all the different months. So every time we just highlight one line of macro afterwards and to automatically run for the other months. So we will use February as another example for demonstration purposes. And we can see that February will be shown here without the name being changed as well. Okay, so the next step is actually to make sure everything is in the correct month, day, and year format. So if we want to double check, we can run it. So it's checking everything. And then we can go back to see, for example, if we look at a buy order date, it's already in month, day, year format. Okay. Sell order date, due date. So all the dates are actually in the correct format. But if you want to double check, we can just keep running for every single month. The next step is to select set 100 and set 50 stocks. So this program had already typed in all the takers for all the set 50 and set 100 stocks. We can use them directly. So this is the macro file. So basically, we just use this line of code to select the related stocks. And again, these programs are organized in a way that is by every month. Okay, so for example, if we continue to use January as an example, we just start from this part of the program to select the taker, and then it covers the macro SAS program to choose the related stocks. And if you want to just show in January, we can just run this set of program. And this time we can see the out file is already in this output folder. So we need to go to the folder, deal output 2018. So we can go there and click in, and then we can see that this file, we can double check the taker, this variable, but it has all the stocks that are contained in the set 50 and set 100 list. If you want to change the list further, we can just edit this part of the code to change the taker that we are going to select.